Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can integrate your Calendly with your Zoom. So it is a quite simple procedure, and if you need to do that, you just need to head over to this integration option over the Calendly website. So once you get over to the integration option, what you need to do is that various integrations will appear over here. You need to go all the way down where you will see an option of Zoom. So you just need to click on that. So as I have already connected my Zoom account over there, you will see an option of connect if you haven't connected it yet. So now once you have connected or installed the Zoom integration, what you need to do, you need to create an event. So here I will click on create a new event. So once I clicked on that, I will click on it is a one-on-one type of event, and then I will suppose name this event as XYZ. And you need to make sure that in the location you click on Zoom, and basically now when you create this event it will be linked with Zoom. So basically that is how you can integrate Calendly with Zoom. I hope you found this video useful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel.